Good morning. Thank you for coming in today. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good morning. Thank you for having me. My name is Emily, and I have a degree in marketing from City University. I've worked in digital marketing for the past 3 years.
That's great, Emily. Can you tell me about a successful project you worked on?
Sure. At my previous job, I led a social media campaign that increased our online engagement by 40%. I developed content strategies, analyzed performance metrics, and collaborated with the design team to create engaging posts.
Impressive. How do you handle tight deadlines?
I prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. I also use project management tools to keep track of deadlines and ensure I stay on schedule. If needed, I'm not afraid to ask for help to meet a deadline.
That's a good approach. Why do you want to work with our company?
I admire your innovative approach to marketing and your commitment to sustainability. I believe my skills and experiences align well with your goals, and I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to your team.
Excellent. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, could you tell me more about the team I'd be working with?
Absolutely. You'd be part of a dynamic team of 5, including designers, content creators, and analysts. We work closely together on all projects.
That sounds wonderful. Thank you for the information.
You're